I don't have good earnings. As I've said a while ago, my YouTube is not like before. So
Ma,
this is my source of income.
mapatay na lang SpongeBob.
Me,
Kadungog pa kani sa music, ma?
depending on it,
Ma!
I don't have. Oh, hello to my four viewers. How are you? I'm glad to see you guys, even though we are not many in real life, but I'm still here, and I'm glad. I hope the other absents are coming on my next live. I'm still happy kung matulog mo. Tulog na lang mo yan, magdamay ka mo dapat di ka matulog po. What to? What do you mean? Ano ibig sabihin kung matulog? Di ko maintindihan. Ako ba ang dahilan?
This is a sad moment, and we got you. I'm not crying. What is this? It has to be like my opposite cologne or something. No. Squidward, this is a sad moment, and we got
Ano ibig sabihin doon? Hindi ko maintindihan. Erwin.
Patrick, but me and Plankton, this is wrong.
Ibig sabihin, you mean that I'm going to sleep kasi tagal kong matulog.
Pizza! Look, we're all so sad. Everyone's crying because I'm done.
For now, I'll be sleeping. And few minutes. Because I what I've said, I'm taking nap. So I can sleep without anything to think. Here, hindi ikaw po, madam.
Spatula, this is what?
Ah, sino ba? Sino ba sila?
Right, because pizza, you thought it was pie. Oh my goodness, no! I dropped my spatula. This is so bad.
Init?
Because you're finally dying if you drop that
Ay,
spatula.
naman kung toothbrush naman.
Wait lang ba? Real
Ito.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Anak, hindi rin matulog kayo. Gusto ko nang matulog. My life is until 20 minutes lang.
It's even worse. Naman sa cemetery na ni.
Kaya na ba?
Magkatagad ka dili.
Labad na ka kayo na.
Makakatagad.
Hindi mo na inaanak na. Ang mama is very important. Hindi na inanaw pagtubag. Uy, kay kung wala kay mama, unsa man nimo? O ito ko inanaon. I have to go. Pak, maiyak yun ka. Wala dyan mo kuha mo please. Teaching my son. Please nimo. Why you so bad attitude? Katagad ako pa.
More sad because Sandy's a really good karate president.
Ano? Matulog na lang.
No, yes, this is horrible. Oh my goodness. It looks like they already did.
Ah, yun pala. Sundan ko na. Kamusta?
Sad video.
Kaya pala.
Right, and I'm still on here. So if you guys also enjoying it, Makoy mong mama, mabutangan na ni mong mamatay nga niyo kung mingawon ka. Butangan, magdala na ko, ana.
Kung ikaw,
Kung ikaw sa man,
namatay ko,
sugot ay kung mamatay ka.
mahilak yun ka. Yung mo ano yun, kung, kung high blood ko, di saan ako maghilak yun ka, no? Manto rin nga papa. Ha?
Kung ano ko, papa.
Hindi, wala lang kay mama. Asa man kapuyo? Ha?
Sagitig.
Nako na mapa-toothbrush na please, ade po ka mutuon ako. Wala masuko ko. Sige na. Ako na. Ako
Ano
na
ko,
ka.
patient.
My son.
Patient. Patient.
Very We are only two here in my room, and my mother is in the other room.